little artists! Today, we are going to draw a beautiful house with a rainbow, clouds, the sun, and a big tree. Doesn't that sound fun? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof. Draw a big triangle at the top. Now, draw a rectangle under it to make the house. Great job! Next, let's add a door in the middle so we can go inside. Now, draw a cute window next to the door. Peekaboo! Let's make our house even prettier by adding bushes on both sides. Now, let's draw a big tree next to our house. First, draw a thick trunk. Now, make big, fluffy leaves on top. Wow, that looks amazing! Let's add a chimney on top of the roof. It will keep the house warm. Now, let's make the sky beautiful. Draw some fluffy clouds and a bright sun on the sky. Let's add 2 more clouds and join them with some curved lines. Wow! Now, we have a rainbow. To make our sky magical, let's draw some twinkling stars. Now, let's add some brick patterns on the chimney and wall. This makes our house look even more real. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold to make our artwork pop. Awesome! Doesn't it look amazing? Now, it's coloring time. Let's use rainbow colors.
Yay!
Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Pink color. Silver color. Wow! Our house looks so colorful and beautiful. Amazing work, little artists. You did a fantastic job drawing this cute house with a rainbow, clouds, the sun, and a tree. Hi, friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute house scene with a bright sun, fluffy clouds, and a big tree. Let's begin by drawing the house. First, draw a big triangle for the roof. Now draw a rectangle underneath the roof. This is the main part of our house. For the door, draw a rounded rectangle near the bottom of the house. Let's add a window. Draw a square or rectangle and divide it into 4 parts. Add a tiny heart shape on the door as a doorknob to make it look even cuter. Draw a chimney on the roof by stacking 2 small rectangles. Next to the house, draw a big tree with a thick trunk and lots of leafy branches. In the sky, draw a large circle for the sun. Add rays around it. And give it personality by drawing eyes and a smiley face. Finally, let's add a few fluffy clouds around the sun. Our drawing is complete, but let's make it pop. Go over all the lines again with the black marker to make them bold and sharp. Now it's time to add some color. Let's make this scene bright and cheerful. Show your markers and let's color each part together. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. color.
La da 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 dee.
Brown color. Pink color. Use blue again. Wow, our house scene looks amazing. Great job, everyone. Thanks for drawing and coloring with us today. Don't forget to share your artwork with friends and family. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.